packet, you're gonna set that up yourself. So you know what you're gonna do and how you're gonna do it. If you're not gonna set up a tray ahead of time, you're just, gonna assist them, just one pair is necessary. Now see, I've got my fingers, they're still in here. So keeping my hands covered, I'm gonna pick up hopefully put them out correctly, and haven't been trying to show a class 3 times. I'm gonna use this to open them up. And this time, the lucky thing is the whole area is sterile. So if it flops back, I'm not concerned about it. I'm gonna pick up my glove, and at this point, now my little fingers can pop out a little bit. And I'm gonna stick I left my ring out and see what happens. So pretend that ring's not there. And then I'm gonna come on this side and do the same thing.
And you don't have to grab it from the inside this time?
No, because you're all sterile now. So and I really messed these up. So now it goes over, but you'll notice probably the most important thing about this is that I bring this down like that. This should be halfway on your hands. See how I left that there? And the reason is that way no contamination can get down there. So that's very important. If you pull your sleeves up first, then there's the chance for contamination. So I put this on backwards. To probably, rather than mess with it if I was in a hurry, I'd just ask Tony to give me another glove.
And we can show them how to do that. Here's what happened. I'll get you another set.
So I messed up.
So she goes, Tony, I need your help. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back here, I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna grab it as far as I can without going into the blue stuff. And then grab it and pull away. Same thing with the other one. We're gonna do the same thing with that other one. Grab it from as far as I can, and then just pull away. Okay?
And then I'm just gonna hold still.
Have you had any problems with them snapping?
Understand?
Like they tear?
Yeah. And that's the usual reason why we're doing what we're doing right now. Because usually they do tear from time to time.
Now,
Especially like if you forgot your ring, you're like, you punch a hole in it.
I'm gonna throw these out on her sterile field. I want you to see how.
Try
Again.
staying out of the way.
So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna go like this.
Thank you, Tony.
Just make sure that it doesn't bounce off.
Yeah. So once again, come in. That one. This one. And you put them on the exact same way as you do that you don't have gloves. Now I can hold the cuff and pull it down. And there you go. Okay, so now I'm completely sterile. Now I gotta make sure. So now that I have my gloves on, I can say, Tony, can you help me again?
Sure, Vicky.
And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna pull this one out.
That's what you want to keep that. Pull it.
There it goes. Pull it off, and I don't want to drop it. I want to hang on to it. Then I'm going to spin this around like this. I'm going to spin this around and make sure that I'm holding this part, and Tony gets the blue part. So the non-sterile person is going to take this card here. This is my side to hang on to. And then I'm going to just go like that. You don't ever put your arm around behind because you're not sterile in the back.
The other way to do it is come to the front here. She gave it to me right here.
When I'm facing you.
No, that's okay. No. Then you turn around, go the other way.
But then my sterile part can't face you.
There you have a piggy here, okay? Here you go.
Well, what do we say to them?
Well, here's,
We'll always face the sterile field.
no, I understand that, but
Away.
there's people that's gonna be in front of them. So long as that distance is greater than 12 inches, then they're okay. Listen to what she said.
The sterile part. Hand it back like that. I didn't
got
reach
it.
my hand behind. He reached me met me halfway.
Okay, here you go.
And then I'm gonna take this part, and he's gonna rip that cord off. And in front of me like this, so I'm not reaching around behind, I'm gonna tie myself up. Okay, so now you're done, completely sterile. Now I'm gonna get rid of my stuff here.